Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by confirming your Yamaha Montage model and current firmware so you apply the correct file. This avoids bricking the unit. You also back up patches and system settings to a USB drive or your Montage editor. Once done, make sure the instrument has stable power, either fully charged internal battery or a reliable 12V adapter, because loss of power during flashing will corrupt firmware. Finally, install the Yamaha USB MIDI driver and the Montage Librarian/editor on your computer, so the device is recognized immediately. You now prepare the firmware file and transfer it. First, verify the downloaded firmware file matches your exact Montage variant. Mismatched files will fail. Then, set the Montage into its firmware receive mode. Follow the manual steps to enter update or system-exclusive receive. Once in that state, confirm the computer sees the unit. Next, use the Yamaha editor or a trusted SysX transfer utility to send the file. Start transfer and monitor progress bars carefully, because interruptions can leave the unit unstable. You finish by letting the Montage complete its internal installation and reboot. Do not switch power off or disconnect USB until the display explicitly confirms completion. Once the unit restarts, load your backup settings, inspect patches and global parameters, and perform a quick sound check to confirm stability. If you encounter errors or the device stalls, try a different high-quality USB cable and port. Re-download the firmware file to ensure integrity and repeat the upload. If problems persist, contact Yamaha support.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.